my god. It's going off now. A tornado warning. Let's go. Rockford, Illinois. Woohoo!
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a tornado warning
Let's
for East Central Lafayette
Let's
County,
freaking
South
go!
Central Western Greene County and South Central Wisconsin until 5:30 p.m.
Yeah, baby.
7 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing
Let's
a tornado
go.
is near Winslow, or 10 miles west of Monroe, moving
Tornado
northeast at 40
warning.
miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter size.
Tornado and quarter size hail.
Source: radar indicated rotation.
Right. Oh my god.
Flying debris will be dangerous to the
Dude, what the?
shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
Where's the tornado
vehicles
warning?
will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations and tactics include Glarus, Montevallo, Argyle,
It's
South
over
Lake,
here.
Roundhouse,
That's the SVR.
and Jordan Center. Take cover now.
Oh, that's the SVR.
Move to a basement or
Where is that tornado warning, bro? Oh, what the heck was that?
avoid
Lincoln, Nebraska.
mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
There it is.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until
Milwaukee.
5:30 p.m. for southeastern Lafayette and
Oh my
Greene
god.
counties.
Look at that.
At 4:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from
Oh my
Milwaukee
gosh,
to Winslow,
look at that.
moving northeast at 40.
Bro, look at that heavy rain. There's white inside. There's white inside of rain. There's white in that rain. What the heck?
Damage to vehicles is expected.
Yo, what?
Protected include Monroe,
Bro, this
Gladys,
storm is so
Belleville,
strong.
Glarus, Brooklyn,
Oh my god.
Monticello,
It just said Brooklyn.
Ouida,
What the heck? It just said Brooklyn. Brooklyn's in New York, and why is there one in Wisconsin? What the heck?
For your protection, move to an
Bro,
interior room
what
on
the
the
heck?
floor of a building.
That's weird.